In Formula 1, races are won and lost due to an uncontrollable element, weather. Since the inception of the sport, engineers have been working tirelessly to make more and more accurate predictions to help their drivers to victory. Today, it is our turn to add a contribution to weather forecasting to the world of Formula 1.
We use a weather dataset from the Formula 1 game and build a model to predict weather and rain probability in the future. Today, weather forecasting is still a crucial area of research. Predictions are still blurry. You could see rain on weather forecasting app, but you go outside and see sunshine.
It's very crucial in F1 to be very precise with the weather prediction, because the driver is expecting his engineers to tell him the weather prediction at each corner of the race, because if it's like super wet or things like that, it's very important for him to know in which condition he's going to drive. Thus, what we want to add to our prediction model is the idea of specialty, which means that for each corner we're going to predict the weather. We're going to predict the rain percentage extra. We can even add the wind prediction. And how you're gonna ask me, how did you do that? Well, we've not only been using the dataset from the F1 HackMakers competitions, but we've also been using a dataset from open source dataset of weather forecasting, which contains, for example, GPS coordinates, winds, etc. So what we've been doing, first we've been working on exploratory data analysis. We've been studying the whole dataset, either in JSON and CSV format. We've been looking through all the data and the correlations between features. We've noticed that some features are not that correlated with the track temperature, but what we knew for sure is that there's not a lot of features in the current dataset for us to predict the weather accurately. So what we've been doing is searching for a dataset that contains GPS coordinates. We've also been searching for other features which would be more relevant, such as the wind bearing, the wind speed, etc. And with my teammate, we've been also working on state-of-the-art models that contain, for example, transformers to predict accurate time series forecasting. And that's it!
We also decided to expand the dataset by adding more video game data. Because hackathons are all about having fun, we played the F1 video game ourselves and collected several hours of new data. Let's quickly get into the inner workings of our model. Our technology uses deep neural networks to predict future weather time steps from an original sample taken from the Formula 1 video game. We've been using Oracle Cloud solutions as part of our workflow, especially cloud storage and data science notebooks. With more accurate weather predictions, we could create a safe path for emergency vehicles in areas of extreme weather. We could help farmers plan salvage their crops if a storm is coming, with extreme accuracy that would benefit us all. This is only a proof of concept, but Formula 1 is often the birthplace of world-changing innovation. Meet our team. From diverse backgrounds, ranging from engineering to data science, we are united by our love for Formula 1. Our skills are complementary, and the teamwork has been an unforgettable part of this hackathon journey.